Hey guys, what's going on? The Gospel Join here, and as you can see, I'm actually doing a vlog, and I got my uniform, public uniform. I just got home from work. I'm really don't feel like making a video on my computer, so I was doing this vlog because it's easy, just off my phone and upload it. I'm gonna be talking about what I'm going to be doing to my computer next. Let's actually get this pulled up before I do start talking, so I can show you guys a picture. Um, it is, let's get it, Amazon, paste. Alright, so right now on my computer I have a i5 350 something K core processor, and I have a GTX 560 graphics card. It's not the best. It was just a starter computer, my first ever computer to myself, my first ever gaming computer, and I am looking to get a new processor probably because I actually watch, if you guys know who Summit is, Summit1G. I'm actually watching a stream right now. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. He's streaming, and I asked him which one I should get first. A new graphics card, which I was gonna get like a GTX 760, or a new processor. I'm gonna get an i7 4770K. So that is what I'm gonna get first. That's what he recommended me get first. So that's what I'm gonna do because I do want to get a beast computer, and about to get some tax return money, and so that's what I'm gonna be getting right there. I don't know if it's gonna focus right. Focused. An Intel Core i7 4770K. Especially since I did make a video talking about me gonna be streaming. I'm gonna start streaming really soon, and this will help me get better graphics and process things better. That way I can stream and play a game at the same time. So I'm really excited about that, and in my underwear, as you can see. But anyway, thanks for watching the discussion. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.